How to play bots in Clash Royale. Want easier matches or practice time? Here's how to play against bots in Clash Royale. So the first method to play with bots in Clash Royale is through training camp. New accounts always face bots in training camp. It's the best way to learn the basics. Second is to have low trophy matches. If your trophies drop below 1,000, the game often pairs you with bots to keep matches easy. Third would be returning after inactivity. Inactive accounts may face bots when returning, so you can ease back into the game. Bots also appear when matchmaking can't find a human opponent quickly, especially during off-peak hours. And that's it. Bots are great for practice, farming crowns, and learning new decks. And that is how you can basically play bots in Clash Royale.